Hello and welcome to the channel, or back to the channel. Just got this in the mail today, and it's a 30-pack of spinners. Morsel trout size spinners, about 2 inches in size, I believe. And I got it for $12.95, which would average around 43 cents per spinner. So I'm going to get this opened and see how they look. And then after I open them and get them all out, I will test a few of them and see how they do compared to a Mepps number 2 Aglia spinner. Alright, so now package is open. So they just come in a nice plastic bag. There are all the spinners, quite a few, and nothing else in the packaging, so time to get these out of the bag and see how they look. So, a lot of different spinners, perfect size for trout or smaller fish, maybe a little larger as well, but I'll get them all laid out and show you guys all the different colors that came in this bag. Alright, so here they all are, all laid out, and actually look pretty good. Definitely really like any other spinner I've seen. Just regular blade, clevis center, bead, brass body, and then another bead, and a turtle hook. And wire seems pretty good as well. Definitely not bad for some pretty cheap spinners, which only come in at 43 cents a piece. So if you were to lose one, it's not as bad as losing a like $5 or $7 spinner. And here's a Mepps number 2 here. This is usually around $5. I've seen them get up to $7, but compared to some other spinners here, not the exact same, but definitely look quite similar and will catch fish the same. And for the price of one of these, you could get about 15 of these spinners. So, a lot more spinners for the amount of money that you're spending, and definitely don't seem too bad of quality. I'll be testing these in some water to see how they spin alongside Mepps number 2, so I'll show you guys that. Alright, so here I have an Aglia long, just a Aglia number 2, and then 2 extra tests. And for consistency, I'm just using a clip. Alright, now for testing, I'll start off with the Mepps Aglia. Looks average, pretty steady. Nothing different than usual. Then for the other Mepps Aglia kind of style, looks pretty good. Does have a little bit of body wobble, which is kind of fine. Then for the Mepps Aglia long, looks pretty good. Very fast spin and really close to the body, so thin profile. Then kind of the same with the other one that looks like the Aglia long. A little bit wider of a spin, but still looks really good. Then for an extra test, this one is a very wobbly one for not being very steady. Really all over the place. And then for another test, this is just kind of like the first Mepps Aglia that I tested. And it also does look pretty good and spins really well. Alright y'all, this is going to be the end of the video. And these are really good quality spinners. I mean, probably not the best quality, but definitely pretty sturdy for what they are, for being 43 cents a piece. So about 40 cents a piece, but yeah, if you want some decently cheap spinners, don't have to worry about losing them too much, because you'll have many more to use. So definitely be a pretty good way to get your spinners for cheap and have a lot of them to use with quite a bit of variation as well throughout every single spinner. So yep, thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe if you want to. Don't have to, but you can. And see you guys in the next video.